SAG-AFTRA, WGA, IATSE, if they bulldoze us, every other labor group in this country is in trouble.
BZTV.
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 Hey, we're watching BZTV. Hey, we're outside Disney lots. Writers Guild of America on strike, SAG-AFTRA on strike. Basically, we're looking for residuals. A lot of these companies, they don't want to give out all their streaming information. We need to know that. Also, it needs to be a certain amount of writers in every room. We need to have that guarantee so they just don't skip and have just one or two people. Like, no, we need to have full-time workers, full-time guarantees, and then also we can't let AI replace us, man.
I'm an IATSE member, I work wardrobe, I'm out here in support because we are affected by many of the same issues. He spoke more to the writer side of it. With the actors, that directly affects wardrobe. They're trying to turn most background actors into CGI, scan their bodies so they can implement them, and so many wardrobe and background jobs are to supplying your actors and a lot of your background actors. So by digitizing all of that, you're losing a whole branch of the film industry, the background, the wardrobe, the hair, the makeup, the people that make all these actors and scenes really come to life and have the depth they do. And we work with writers directly. We benefit from having a consistent writing team that's dedicated to what they do, knows the business, and respects the other fields. Whereas the producers keep adding more and more producers who don't do anything, and the decisions they make disrupt the filming. They do not know their lines. They do not understand that their decisions affect different departments, the prep time. They don't understand the business, the producers coming into this, and they are getting the vast share of the profits from all of this. And they are wasting so much money yet calling out us for being the cause of the money being lost when they're not sharing the residuals. They could end this if they paid the ballpark of 0.001% of their revenue, but they're not. And it's just greed. People are starving. I know people in WGA, SAG, IATSE, who are working 40 plus hours a week and can't afford a one-bedroom apartment, let alone their kids or their families. So that fact that people in mansions are starving us out right now, it's greed, and if we don't take a stand now, they're going to come for every other union. We're three of the highest profile unions in the country. SAG, AFTRA, WGA, IATSE. If they bulldoze us, every other labor group in this country is in trouble.
We're tired of it. We're tired of them eating caviar and not even wanting to give us goldfish crackers, man. No, we want it all. We're going to fight for it.
That's right. I appreciate y'all for real.
Nino Punchlines on Instagram.
Oh, you spell it out?
NinoPunChlines.
Shane Kenny Comedy, SHANEKENNY Comedy.